A significant snowstorm has descended on Cape Cod, and a blizzard warning is in effect until 5 a.m. on Sunday, February 16th, according to the National Weather Service. Between 8 and 16 inches of snow is predicted for this area that will also bring heavy winds throughout the night. Road conditions are deteriorating rapidly, and visibility is limited, as seen here on Route 132 in Hyannis just before nightfall on Saturday. Snowplow drivers are on the roads and assembling for what will likely be a long night. Stay tuned to CapeCodOnline.com for further storm coverage.